right, so which wine grape has the most acres grown worldwide? Is it Zinfandel, is it Chardonnay, is it Merlot, or is it Cabernet Sauvignon?
Okay, Liz, we have a little bit of a disagreement here with about 50-50 people saying either Chardonnay or Cabernet. So it's time to see who's right.
Okay. All right, so the correct answer is, in fact, Cabernet Sauvignon. And even threw in here sort of the global rankings. Number 1 is Cabernet Sauvignon. Number 2 is Merlot. Number 5 is Chardonnay. And number 29th is Zinfandel. Because I had a feeling there'd be a little bit of a debate as to which one would be ranked the highest.
Nice work. So everyone who put Cabernet Sauvignon, you are correct. Congratulations. Little applause for you.
Yes. Way to go. All right, so next up, what aromas would you not expect from a Semillon? Would it be apple, honey, grass, or petrol? And again, which ones would you not expect?
And just to clarify, by grass, you do not mean marijuana.
Correct.
Correct. Okay, good.
And I have to laugh. At first, I thought you were going to clarify petrol would be more diesel or gasoline smell.
Well, I am from California, so I just wanted to make that very clear.
I totally understand.
Okay, so we have overwhelmingly here petrol as the answer.
That is the correct answer. You would not expect to find petrol with the Semillon.
Nice work.
Way to go, everyone. All right, so of these options, where would you find Grenache grown? Would it be in the Pays d'Oc? Would it be in South Africa? Would it be in Napa Valley? Or would it be in Ohio?
Okay, so we have someone who said Ohio, and then after that, the majority of people saying Pays d'Oc. So what is the right answer?
I'm sorry for the one who said Ohio. It would be Pays d'Oc.